Okay, right now we have unlocked the model and we are going to change the section of the beam and column because they are failing. So select the frame section and we will like to select the columns first. Assign frame section column 24 cross 24. We are going to select all the column as 24 cross 24. Now select the beams, properties, frame section. Beam is right now with us is 12 cross 10 and we will change this dimension to 18 cross 12. Now first of all we need to select it. Go back, property, frame section and assign frame section and change it to 18 cross 12. Now rerun the analysis. Analysis is complete. Design, select design combo, all the combo are selected. Design, concrete frame design, start check design. Go back to design, concrete frame design, verify all member pass. All member pass are design in capacity and design. Okay, so this was a tutorial for the analysis, the modeling and analysis of a 3D frame, and the most important thing in 3D frame is proportioning of the frame. In frame we proportion how you should proportion your beam and column section. Remember, the column section should be always greater than the width of the beam. The width of the column should be greater than the width of the beam. So this helps in development of plastic hinge in the beam. If the width of the column is more than the width of the beam, the plastic hinge will develop in the beam. And if the plastic hinge develop in the beam, not in column, only that portion of beam will fail and the column will not collapse. If the column is collapsed, then whole structure will collapse. So to avoid the collapse of a structure, the width of the column should be greater than the width of the beam. And in this video we have modeled a 3D frame. We have checked the deflection of the slab. We checked we have passed the capacity of the frame system. This ends the tutorial. Thanks.